With warmer weather comes my itch to get outdoors and spruce up my gardens, so I started looking for some DIY garden ponds to add to my flower garden. I found 15 of the most amazing DIY garden ponds that are so cheap and easy to build that you are definitely going to want to put in one of these this spring. Before we begin, please check the description area first. There are listed links to original project and tutorial that exist in this video. Here, budget-friendly DIY garden ponds you can make this weekend. 1. DIY Backyard Pond. You can build your own backyard pond in a weekend with the right tools and supplies. This one uses patio pavers or rocks as well as a traditional pond liner, all of which you can get at your local home improvement store. 2. Repurposed Plastic Storage Tote Garden Pond. You don't have to spend a fortune on a pre-made backyard pond form. You can simply turn an old Rubbermaid plastic container into your garden pond and save that money for other things. 3. Lighted Zen Container Pond. This container pond is perfect for placing on your patio. It is a really easy one to set up and you add a light, so it is the perfect garden pond for relaxing beside on those warm spring and summer evenings. 4. DIY Bubble Container Pond. Here is another beautiful container pond that is perfect for adding a bit of unique style to your garden. You need a couple of containers for this one and you can pick up rather cheap ones from the Dollar Tree or dollar store for this. 5. DIY Paver Pond with Fountain. Those patio pavers or river rocks are perfect for creating this DIY garden pond that has a handmade rock fountain at the top. This would be beautiful in the center of your flower garden, or you could place it anywhere that you want to add a bit of style and design. 6. Repurposed Stock Tank Garden Pond. To make a garden pond, you simply need something that will hold water. An old stock tank makes a wonderful choice. This one is so easy that you can have it set up in just a couple of hours. 7. River Rock Covered Pond. If you happen to have a garden pond form, you can pick these up at home improvement stores and they aren't that expensive. You can build a gorgeous custom garden pond by just inserting the form into the ground and adding some beautiful river rock or slate. 8. Low Budget Waterfall Pond. Those rocks that you pick up out of your yard make the perfect base for a gorgeous garden pond. This one has a lovely waterfall that you also create from rock. 9. DIY Recycled Tractor Tire Pond. If you have an old tractor tire, you can use that to create a lovely outdoor pond. This one is really easy to build, and if you have the tire on hand, it doesn't cost much at all to get it up and running. 10. DIY Ecological Linerless Natural Garden Pond. If you want something really simple and really ecological, this linerless natural garden pond is it. You don't need any sort of liner, which makes the setup much easier than most garden ponds. 11. Easy DIY Garden Fish Pond. If you want to add goldfish or koi to your garden pond, this is a great one to build. It is so easy, you just dig it out, add your liner, and then choose the rocks and other decorations that you want to add. 12. DIY Rectangular Pond with Wooden Deck. Some old pallets can be recycled to make the deck for this modern rectangular pond. I love DIY pallet projects. Or, you can use any boards that you have on hand that are left over from other projects. 13. DIY Multi-Basin Recycled Tire Pond. This tire pond is not just one tire, it is several. You can use tires of different sizes to create different basins and give your garden pond a really unique and natural look. 14. DIY pond and stream with waterfall. If you have the outdoor space available, this DIY pond and stream would be beautiful in your garden area or backyard. You can make the stream go as far as you want it to go, and the waterfall is absolutely gorgeous at the end of it. Simple preformed garden pond. If all else fails and you just don't have the time or the inclination to dig the pond yourself, you can buy a preformed garden pond and just drop it into the ground.